Okay, for today's unboxing, we have a Choetech fast wireless charging stand. It says it's a 10-watt fast charge, it has 2 coils, charging protection, and free position. 100% original product. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got in the box. A super sticky pad that looks like it was probably supposed to be stuck to something inside. A little flyer saying become a VIP. The charging stand itself. USB cable, micro USB. Meter and a half. Everything is nicely packaged. It comes with a wall-wart that is orange, which means it's higher power, and a user's manual. It's a few pages long and has a QR code on the back.